What's up, YouTube friends? Now this week I'm going to swap my Sunday sewing video for my Whatever I Want Wednesday video. The next couple days are going to be cold and rainy, a perfect day to stay inside and sew. And my little babies here, they need transplanted into their cups. Now I do have a few videos on YouTube of how I do this, but I know a lot of you like to see what I'm doing in my garden year to year. So the things I'm going to be using today are, of course, my seedlings, some cups. Now I was asked if I like to use plastic or styrofoam cups, and I prefer plastic. Either way, they're killing the planet, and I just feel like I get a few more years out of plastic cups. Some of these are going on 4 years now. Styrofoams, I barely get 1 year out of them. You're also going to need a tote to put your plants in, a marker to label my cups, and I do have some potting mix over here on my side, which I moistened. You don't want it sopping wet, but you don't want it bone dry either. If it's a little moist, it'll help absorb the water better. So I'm just going to pan down here and zoom you in a little bit, and I'll show you what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm going to do is label my cups. So these are Rutgers. And if you're using brand new cups, you're going to want to poke holes at the bottom. And how I do that is I get a metal barbecue skewer, I get it hot on the stove, and I poke 4 holes in the bottom and also 4 holes around the sides. That way I know it's going to absorb enough liquid. Next I'm going to fill my cup about halfway full of potting mix. I'm going to take my 2 fingers and carefully pinch a seedling. And then just put it in my cup. Next, I'm just going to carefully twist off these seed leaves. And then I'm going to fill my cup the rest of the way up with potting mix. And then just give it a little press down, and I could use a little bit more potting mix. And then just set it off into your tote. Now for peppers, it's pretty much the same process, except for I'm going to fill it all the way up to the top. On the tomato plants, it's okay to bury your stem. Any of this underneath the soil will grow roots. But you don't want to do that with your pepper plants. You can do a little bit of your stem, but if you do too much, it will get stem rot and die. So I'm just going to make a little hole, press in my pepper, and then just top it off. And that's it. It couldn't be any simpler. So now I'm just going to finish up the rest of these, and I'll show you when I'm done. Alright guys, so I do have a few more pepper plants to do, but I need to grab another tote. At this point I like to give them a good drink. And also, I like to start using a water-soluble fertilizer. I'll just use Miracle-Gro because that's what I have on hand. Now over here are my eggplants, and I did the exact same way as my pepper plants. Now for the big totes, I like to put 1 gallon of water per week. Well, I hope you liked this quick video on how I transplant my plants into cups. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel. And as always, thanks for watching, happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.